Good morning. Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. My name is Kit Beaudry. I'm going to give you a brief walkthrough of our 2019 Boston Whaler 350 Realm. Notice this boat is actually optioned out in horizon blue paint, powered with triple 300 naturally aspirated Mercuries, and colors all white. Step aboard, I'll show you some of the great features. As you board the boat, notice how spacious this cockpit is. This is a very versatile boat. You have the aft mezzanine seat here with the refrigerated cooler. Up under us is a gyro. This is Seakeeper in this particular boat. Dive door, very unique. You have your ladder for it right there as well. You want to pull in fish, just have the kids out at the island playing for the day. Makes it very nice. Come forward, I'll show you here. At the helm, you do have AC for that flip-flop seat. And for the person at the helm running the boat, you have AC over there as well. This particular boat we did not order any electronics with. We'll let the customer choose. We do have a full AC and generator on board to keep your spacious cabin nice and cool. And as we move forward to the bow, through our port side entryway here, notice our full sunshade we have here, which is very nice on the 350 Realm. Spacious up here for all your passengers to enjoy during the day. With your retracting bow table, it makes a filler cushion. We thank you for watching. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola, or you can visit us online at marinemax.com. Thank you.